Hi everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponer, and oh my gosh, this was another amazing Ibotta haul. This was from Kroger. Kroger was not anywhere close to free. However, I went over to Walmart and had so much awesomeness with this cost sheet right here. I made everything back, plus 10 cents after the bonuses. I actually made money after the bonuses. It was such a great time between all the stores. So, awesome. So, I'm really excited. A lot of the deals there are some repeats, but there also are some awesome new deals that you guys are gonna want to stick around and take advantage of. So there will be Kroger, and there will also be Walmart. So we're gonna start out with Kroger first. Kroger was a really great time. So I did 3 transactions over 3 Kroger Plus cards. As I've explained before, I have multiple family members I shop for, so I need to use multiple cards, and they've all okayed that. They would rather me go use their card and get the deals than them try to do it themselves. So that's what I do. Okay, so transaction 1, I was just working towards, there's no new bonus out this week. I was trying to finish level 2. I needed 13 more rebates to get $1, and then I kept working towards holiday bread, which was if I did 20 rebates, I get back 70. I had 41 starting, so I did 13 more towards that, which took up a big chunk. Like 3 something towards that bonus, 371 I think. I don't know, really awesome. I'm excited. I'm chipping away at that bonus, and I bet I'll finish it this weekend. I really think I will. And I was so nervous about it for a while, but like the deals just started showing back up. So Kroger, I did this on the first card. I guys wanted the Hunt's Ketchup. Thank you to Zugu Mugu for messaging me this today. That's his YouTube name. These are $1.79, and there is a $1.50 off digital coupon available. So it ends up making these 29 cents. It says on Hunt's Natural Ketchup, this is 100% natural. Click on that coupon. It shows this is the qualifying item. So that works just fine. It is a different one in the picture on that digital coupon, but if you go to qualifying items, it says that qualifies. Imagine Bros, $1.79 with $1 from Ibotta. Okay, the Colgate deal, thanks to Midnight Saver again. The toothpaste is $1.99 with a 4 off 2 digital. And the toothbrush is $1.99 with a $2 digital. Again, the weirdness starts up. That digital coupon says $2 off any Colgate-sensitive toothpaste. You click under qualifying items. It shows toothpaste and toothbrushes. I don't understand, but I don't know if they forgot to put it in the digital coupon words or what. But it attaches to this, and it says under qualifying items that this qualifies for that digital coupon. I don't think it can get any more clear than that. If it says it qualifies and it comes off, that means it's the right item. So that's where I get that from. So, yeah. So nice freebies. I did that twice on the cards. I used up all 4 of those digital coupons. It's so nice to load back up on toothpaste and toothbrushes. I have so much of that stuff ready to give out for Christmas, and I'm really excited for that. Now, the Dove, it's an awesome deal. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I do not want to forget this because she took the time to message me all about this, and I never would have known about it unless I found it from her. So I'm going to put her name in the overlay because that was just so nice of her to take the time to message me that. So thank you so much. Her name is in the overlay. So these are $2.99 mega sale price. There is a $1.50 digital coupon, which knocks it down to $1.49. Then it is putting out a $1 Catalina when you buy 1, which essentially makes these 49 cents, which is an awesome price. Awesome deal. And I rolled that. I took that $1 Catalina, came down to this transaction, and I used it. So I did the Hunts again, the Colgate, and I did the Dove. I did the Philadelphia cream cheese, which is 99 cents. And there's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, so 49 cents. I love that deal, and I hope it keeps resetting because I love getting that cream cheese. So that's awesome. Then I came down and did this transaction right here. I got a Snuggle, which is $1.99. I had a $1 off coupon. My store is out of the scent shakes, which makes me really sad, but hopefully they get them back in before the sale's over. I got a Tide Simply for $1.99. I had a $1 off coupon, so 99 cents. We get detergent all the time at like CVS and stuff, but I don't know. It was a quick and easy deal, and I just like, you know what? I'm not going to pass that up for detergent. $1 for Tide is awesome. Get the Blue Diamond, 99 cents. I got a $1 off coupon back when Kelsey B. Saves did her video series. So it made these free, and I still have a bunch of those coupons, so I want to go back and get more, but they only had it with coconut milk. I'd rather just have regular almond milk, but I needed 2 items to MI Mega, so I just did that. Did the Hunts again and the Dove. There's just what that $1 Catalina looks like. Great deal. And that it's rolling. So I could go back in there on Thursday or Friday, grab another Dove, use that digital coupon account on another account, and then get another Catalina. And that's what I did. I used this Catalina on this transaction, got another. I used that Catalina on this transaction, got another. So rolling Catalinas, they're not as common as they used to be. Catalinas used to be like an all the time kind of thing at Kroger, but they're kind of far and few between now. So, but yeah, so that was Kroger. Some pretty good deals over there, but I was not satisfied with how much I spent. And I was like, you know what? I know Walmart's going to make this back. I know they are, and they did. Walmart made me so much money back in rebates. It was unbelievable. So this was done at the Maple Avenue Walmart. If you're looking for Kashi, don't even bother. It's gone. I took 5. And then Jessica actually reminded me about the deal a couple days ago. Wise Deals for Moms on Instagram. Asked if I'd checked about the cereal. So that kind of put it in my mind to go check today. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to let her know that there are 3 boxes left. And she went and got the 3 boxes. So you can't do this deal at Maple Walmart. But check your areas, of course. Like, check if, obviously, most of you are not from this area, so check your stores. These are 75 cents on clearance, is legit what they rang up at. There were $1 off Peely coupons affixed to the other boxes of Kashi. It said $1 off any Kashi Go product. Well, this is a Kashi Go product. So it scanned just fine. I used it on 4 because Walmart's policy is like 4 like coupons or something. So I had 25 cents in overage on each. Just give me $1 overage on 4. And then this one was 75 cents. So basically I had 25 cents in overage right there just for buying 5 boxes of cereal. Then Ibotta has $1 rebate on them with a limit of 5. So I had 25 cents overage. I got $5 from Ibotta. That was like a $5.25 moneymaker, which is epic. Almost covered Kroger. And that was just awesome. Amazing. So then I grabbed the Strawberry Crunch Crave. I've seen some people finding these for 50 cents. Here at Maple Walmart, it's $2. There's a 75-cent Peely affixed to it, so that made it $1.25. Ibotta has $1 back, making it 25 cents, and it counted for the bonus. Hopefully they have more of those, because I'll go back and do that. Javalia is an insane deal at Walmart. These are $5.34. $5.38, I'm sorry, $5.38. No coupons. But there is $1.50 back on Fetch Rewards, which is awesome, $1.50 back. And then on Shopkick, if you do the scan kicks as well as the buy it kicks, you do both those kicks, it gives you back $3.44. So that's going to make this Javalia 44 cents for a whole bag of Javalia coffee. I hope that one resets over and over. My dad loves this stuff, so I hope that keeps resetting. I've loved this deal on the toys. This is my last run on the Fetch Rewards. It's $4.84. I had a $3 printable from their site. So with tax, I paid $2.19. I got back $2 from the Ibotta app, and Fetch gave me back $2. I still don't understand why, because the rebate says $30, but when you scan your receipt, it automatically selects which rebates you qualified for, and it keeps giving me credit for this. I don't know if it's just on the 26 liners or if it's working on all of them, but I don't know. So this is a $1.81 moneymaker for the toys, which I'm loving that. That was a great deal. TheraFlu. This is a pretty good deal. They're $6.84. Thanks to Midnight Saver for the heads up. $6.84. Had a $2 coupon from this Sunday's paper. I had a $2 Ibotta rebate and a $2 savings start, making it 84 cents. I'll probably give this to some family or something for Christmas, or I don't know, but not a bad deal. 84 cents. Okay, so the Francesco pasta sauce. I'm loving this deal. And a lot of times I do get junk with Ibotta I don't really want, but I can take the overage from Ibotta and pay for things I really do want with the bonuses, and that's what I love. So this is $1.68, and I had a 50-cent Ibotta, so it's $1.18. Excedrin's a great moneymaker, thanks to Midnight Saver for this one. It is $4.27. I had a $1.50 coupon from Sunday's paper. With tax, I paid $3.08 out of pocket. I got back $1.25 on Ibotta and $1.50 from Savings Star. So with tax, this is 33 cents. Without tax, it was 2 cents. So whatever you want to do there. Okay, I'm loving the simple deal. This was kind of confusing, but I'm going to try my hardest to break it down. So this was $5.97 for the wipes. I believe it was $4.84 for this face wash. I used 2 of the $2 off coupons on those. I submitted for $1 I bought it for each of them, and then Shopkick wound up giving me $3.90 back on the 2. So essentially, I believe it made it like $1 for 2 or something. I could very well be wrong. I did the math. It was very close, like $1 for 2. So yeah, and then if you haven't already done the deal, you can get a bonus extra money back on this deal as well. So that's a pretty good deal on the simple. I'm sorry for messing that up. I got us covered on the rest of the deals, but that one I'm lost. So but that was a good deal. The front line. This is thanks to Danaville on Instagram. Thank you so much for telling me this. This is $7.97 at Walmart. So with tax, it was $8.55. The Ibotta app has $2.75 back. Shopkick has a total of $3.70 back when you do the scan kicks and the buy kicks. And then coupons.com, the app, has $2.75 back. So triple stack all that together. With tax, this is a 65-cent moneymaker. Without tax, it's like a $1.11 moneymaker. But I include taxes, it's legit. So awesome deal on the front line. Country Crock is $2.18. No coupon. There is a coupon a lot of you guys got on Sunday, but I did not get it. So at $1 I bought it. And a 50-cent savings star, essentially knocking this down. Was it 78 cents, 68 cents? 68 cents. If you got the coupon, it's a moneymaker. Okay, the Honey Stinger Waffle is $1.18. I had a 50-cent Ibotta. This was a 20-cent any cookies. I don't know why this qualified, but it popped up. So we got 70 cents off of $1.18. So that was a really, really awesome kind of deal right there on the Honey Stinger. And then the Knorr. I love the Knorr deal. So these are $3 each, or $1.50 each. So that comes to $3. You have to get the two specific varieties that the rebates work for. So Shopkick has a deal. If you buy these two together, you get 800 kicks. That is essentially $3.20, which is awesome. Then Fetch had a deal. If I bought a total of 5 of these over multiple shopping trips, I'm going to get back an extra $1.25, which today I totally did because I had done this so many times. This is my 3rd time doing it, so I've got a total of 6 rice. So I got an additional $1.25 back, making these a $1.40 moneymaker. So I did all the math after all prorating the bonuses, getting my level 2. This all was a 10-cent moneymaker for all these products. What a trip at Walmart. I couldn't even believe it. Making money, doing rebates, making 10 cents on this. This month has been great so far. I got to go and add up all the numbers for everything that I've done so far this month. But December's been awesome. And I wasn't expecting it to be so great. I really wasn't, because last December was kind of blah, it was kind of boring. But this time, between the drugstores at CVS and the rebates, it's just been on fire. And this mega has been on fire. So be sure to come back tomorrow for my Kroger deals video. I can't wait. Hopefully we get tons of new deals. And thank you guys so much for watching.